Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And let me just skip it. And right now we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar and go to the settings in the right upper corner. The second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options in this device, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately highlighted. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, and if you wish to turn it off, simply go back to the settings again and tap on this off option. It has to be marked in order to be set, and now from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.